Something that I get asked all the time in the YouTube comments is, how do I get the gallery block? Sam, you're doing a tutorial on the gallery and I don't know how to get it. And that's because the gallery block is only available to certain Squarespace Circle members. Now, with the advent of the tiers, so Circle Silver, Gold, Platinum, I'm not sure whether Circle Silver members are able to get it now. But if you're not, I'm going to show you where it lives, so when you get to Gold or Platinum, that you can find it. And one thing, I think I said this in another video, but if you are not a Circle member and you really want to use the gallery block, just drop me an email and I'd be happy to hop onto your site and set that gallery up for you, completely free of charge. So let's see. If I click on edit on my page, and you'll know whether you've got it or not, because when you search for gallery, it will come up. So I'm going to make a little bit of room here. So we'll drag this down. And then if I click add block, you'll see gallery here. If you don't see it, maybe just search for it, gallery. There we go. And it's going to come in here. Now, let's just drag this across and double click. You'll see that you can upload images. And if you click plus down here, you can actually upload videos too. So you can paste your URL. It looks like Squarespace has took on a couple more vendors or providers, I guess you call them, for videos. It used to just be Vimeo and YouTube. Looks like we've got Animoto and Wistia. Oh, etc. Interesting. Maybe they've got a few more. Well, they've definitely changed it from Vimeo and YouTube. Anyway, I digress. You paste your video URL in here. You can upload a custom thumbnail here, give it a title, etc., etc. You save it and it goes into your gallery. So you can have a mixture of video and image within one gallery, which I don't believe Squarespace offers in the gallery sections. Now, if you don't have this and you don't want to reach out to me, you can just click add section and you can add a gallery. So in images, you'll find Squarespace has their galleries here. If you look for this information icon here, that is the gallery section where you can edit your gallery and you can add things in. So click plus and you can upload your images. With a gallery block, you've got video and imagery, which makes it a lot more versatile. Hopefully you found that useful. Hopefully it's available to you. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website or just add the gallery block into your site, you can get in touch using the links in the description.